Small tools for your shop I bet you don't have, and I'm giving away tools to 3 lucky winners. This is called a gear clamp, and it's made by Pony Jurgensen. It really comes in handy and they work like vice grips. The clamps feature this power bar design which allows for quick clamping. And when you're done, it's got this quick release button to remove it. It has a clamping force of 600 pounds and surprisingly lightweight, and they offer it in a variety of different sizes ranging from 4 to 12 inches. And you thought that was it? There's more. I love clamping down and using my jigsaw hands-free, or the sanding. All of this for 19 bucks. Just take my money. Counting backwards, this is tool number 8, and it's coming in hot. Introducing the Amana Tool Countersink Bit with an adjustable stop collar. A couple of the unique features to this piece is it's got an adjustable stop collar, and it's got a quick release hex shank, which is awesome. And of course, this stop collar is free spinning, which helps eliminate scratches, blemishes, and marring, burning, all that stuff in your work material. But let's take a beat and clear something up. This video is not sponsored at all.
Help me, I'm poor.
This bit is coming in at like 42 bucks. It's totally worth it. I genuinely feel like it's gonna help you in your shop. I know it has for me anyway. I've had this one for about 2 years and it hasn't dulled out. I've used it probably on thousands of holes. It's Carbide Tip, so it's gonna last longer. Introducing this amazing edge sanding guide made by Aluka Tools, and in my opinion, this is a must-have for all woodworkers. Before we dive into the details about this tool and why it's useful for all woodworkers, I want to announce for the first time ever, I'm actually going to give one of these away to you. Stay tuned for all the details. It's 3D printed with a quick release snap, so you can pop it on and off your sander. It's made for several different brands of random orbit and rotary sanders, although mine is made specifically for the Mirka. Now I'm a little bit OCD with my woodworking and I want things to be perfect. But while I'm not perfect, this tool is definitely helping me to achieve it. You see, it holds the piece at a 90-degree angle, so my sanding is uniform across all my edges. You know, if I wanted a bent edge, I would use a router bit. With that said, it's coming in around 132 bucks. Ouch! It's slightly on the expensive side, but I would think of this one more as an investment into your woodcraft business. But let's talk about something more important, the giveaway. Simply comment on this video why you need this tool for your business, and I'll be announcing the winner on next week's video, Sunday the 30th at 8 a.m. But keep watching as I'm going to give away a few more tools, different ones, in this video. I might go broke or bankrupt. I don't know, whatever the vibe. Coming in hot at tool number 6 is the router faceplate tool. It comes with these handles, and this faceplate is compatible with 6 different routers. These extra templates help you create a job site DIY router table, and these thumb grips offer stability and balance. Once you're done, insert it, set up your sawhorses, and insert your new DIY router table. Then take it for a test drive and run a couple of boards through it. You'll see, you'll love it quickly. This one is made by me, and it's coming in at around 75 bucks. Not too bad considering the typical router table costs several hundred to even possibly thousands, and I offer free shipping. But trust me, it's worth it. But luckily for you, I'm giving one away. But if this is not for you, head over to my website and choose any one of my 70 plus templates, but comment below which one of those you want. And hopefully you're the winner. Let's move on to the next tool. Tool number 5 is this 1/2-inch flush trim compression bit. It features double bearings, one on top and one on bottom. It's double fluted with blades going in one direction and another, which is useful when trimming curves, which run both with and against the grain, and it prevents that scary kickback. And the focus doesn't have to be on right to left. You can just have fun and let the router bit do the work. Coming in are at 42 bucks, this one is a must-have, and I'm biased because 90% of my woodworking involves flush trimming. But either way, this is a great one to have in your toolbox. I sell these flush trim bits on my website, but I'm giving away one. So comment below how you would use this flush trim bit and what you would flush with it, and maybe you'll be the winner. And next Sunday's video is when I'll be announcing these lucky winners. But stay tuned for part 2. As you guess it, I'll be giving away more tools.